Number 1. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, featuring a powerful 5.3 LLS engine paired with a built 4L60E automatic transmission. The fuel injection system has been professionally tuned, and it runs and drives perfectly with no mechanical issues. Finished in a sleek gray exterior, the truck also features a custom wiring harness, headers, and a C-notched frame for improved stance and suspension performance. It's equipped with modern Dakota digital gauges, which still need to be fully hooked up, ice-cold air conditioning, and a set of 22-inch mag wheels that give it a bold, aggressive look. Stopping power comes from new drilled and slotted rotors and aftermarket brake calipers, offering both style and function. Inside, the truck boasts a big screen radio system, a 12-inch subwoofer powered by a Memphis amplifier, and all the comfort you'd expect from a well-thought-out custom. It comes with a clean Arkansas title and is ready to be driven and enjoyed. Number 2. 1977 Ford F-150, price $9,000, it shows just 64,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a powerful gasoline engine, a sleek black exterior, and a vibrant red interior that highlights its vintage charm. The truck has recently undergone several key mechanical upgrades, including brand new brakes, a new carburetor, a new gas tank, updated fuel lines, and an electric fuel pump to ensure smooth and dependable performance. It also features a new power steering pump, enhancing drivability and comfort. With its timeless look and reliable mechanics, this F-150 Ranger is a great choice for collectors or anyone who appreciates classic American trucks. Number 3. 1988 Ford F-150, price $4,800, with 100,300 original miles, equipped with a 5.0L V8 engine paired to an automatic overdrive transmission. It's a 2WD model that has spent its entire life in California, and the mileage has been verified. The truck features an off-white exterior and a gray interior. While the paint shows sun fading, a common issue with 1980s finishes, the body remains straight overall, with only minor damage present at the rear corners of both bedsides. The bed floor, tailgate, and bumpers are all impressively clean. Inside, the cabin is in good shape for its age, with only minor flaws like some stitching coming loose on the seat. Most of the interior features are still functional, including the air conditioning. The only noted interior issue is a non-working driver's side door lock actuator. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives well with no check engine light. However, it does have some leaky gaskets that may need attention. Number 4. 1993 GMC 3500, price $8,500. This truck is a clean and well-kept 1-ton dually with 2WD and a strong 454 V8 engine. With 218,500 miles and an automatic transmission, it runs and drives flawlessly. The truck features a full console, cold AC, hot heat, and averages 12 to 14 miles per gallon on cruise. It has no rust and all running lights work as they should. The current blue exterior has primer on the hood due to previous clear coat issues, but the owner, who works in a body shop, can repaint it as part of the deal. A true survivor, this is a third-owner truck that's always been garaged and maintained. Recent work includes a full tune-up, new exhaust manifolds, oil pan, a C-service, all new belts and hoses, 6 new tires, battery, and alternator. Number 5. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. This pickup is a well-kept and dependable truck with 287,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in a classic brown color, complemented by a clean tan interior. Despite its mileage, the truck runs strong and smooth, showing clear signs of being well maintained over the years. The 4x4 system is fully operational, making it ready for a variety of terrains and weather conditions. Both the air conditioning and heating work properly, providing comfort throughout the seasons. The tires still have around 70% tread left, offering plenty of life for the road ahead. Whether used for work or everyday driving, this Chevrolet 1500 proves to be a solid and reliable choice. Number 6. 1980 Ford F250, price $8,500. It shows 88,000 miles on the dash. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong-running 351 modified V8 engine equipped with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives great, delivering reliable performance whether on or off the road. Finished in a bold blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the truck retains much of its original character. It is nearly rust-free, with only a few light surface spots visible around the wheel wells, nothing major for its age. The factory AC compressor has been removed, and the tachometer works only about half the time, but overall, the truck remains in good mechanical shape. Running on gasoline, this F250 stands out as a dependable and well-preserved vintage workhorse, ready for both everyday driving and classic truck enthusiasts. Number 7. 1990 Mazda B Series, price $7,500. It features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in a vibrant red, complemented by a clean gray interior. Despite its age and mileage, this truck runs great and has been well cared for. While the body and suspension remain original, several thoughtful upgrades and maintenance improvements have been made. The factory carburetor was replaced with a Weber carb for improved performance, and the truck's computer has been removed to simplify the system. The engine, believed to be the original, was rebuilt prior to the current ownership and continues to perform reliably. Additional updates include a new fuel tank, an electric fuel pump, a new slave cylinder, and consistent maintenance on essentials like oil changes and spark plugs. The original paint has also been partially restored through buffing and polishing, preserving the truck's classic appearance. Number 8. 1986 Ford F-150, price $4,500. It comes equipped with a strong 4.9L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has approximately 114,000 miles on it and holds a clean title. One of its standout features is the naturally aged patina that gives the truck a distinct vintage charm without compromising its solid condition. The body is in great shape, showing no major rust if any at all, making it a very solid example of a classic Ford. The frame and undercarriage are also clean and well maintained. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives exceptionally well. It starts right up, handles smoothly on the road, and is fitted with a good set of tires, making it ready for regular driving or light work. Number 9. 1972 Ford F250, price $6,000. This truck is a classic red-on-red pickup with 116,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 390 V8 gasoline engine, it runs really well and has recently received an oil and filter change, along with a new fuel pump. The truck is rear-wheel drive, not 4x4, and comes with a full set of stock racks, which are included in the price regardless of whether the buyer chooses to keep them. While the body does show some rust, it's not considered extreme. When recently lifted for inspection, a minor transmission leak was observed, though the source of the leak is currently unknown. Additionally, the truck features a reserve gas tank that has not been tested by the current owner. Despite its age, this F250 remains a solid example of a vintage workhorse with classic styling and a powerful engine. Number 10. 1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,000, with 181,000 miles and a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has a tan exterior, gray interior, and runs and drives well, though it has a slight oil leak and a few minor issues. Recent upgrades include a new fuel tank, pump, and filler neck, front rotors and brakes, wheel bearings, water pump, fan clutch, thermostat, coolant sensors, oil pan gasket, brake lines, spark plugs, starter, cap and rotor, upper control arms, ball joints, and front shocks. It also features a 3-inch front leveling kit, 2-inch rear blocks with new U-bolts, tow mirrors, new door handles, and aftermarket wheels with 35-inch tires.